what go on? So big up on yourself, you see, and welcome to my kitchen. So it's stay home Sundays, quarantine and chill, and beer things are going, and of course because of that I'm in the kitchen. Actually no, everybody know, like I'm always in the kitchen. I love to cook, and this morning I feel the spirit, and the spirit is telling me, more you need to make some fully loaded omelets. And I'm like, Spirit, are you sure? And the Spirit said yes. So this morning for breakfast, I'm going to be making some fully loaded omelets. What does that mean? All right, so first of all, for omelets, you're gonna need egg, duh. So I'm gonna get 2 eggs. So hold on, I'm gonna go for my egg. Alright, go back. So 2 eggs, yeah? Them egg are medium size eggs, you know, like me not them have like large size eggs. But yeah, so you're gonna need some eggs. I'm going to use like a little bit of carrots, you know, nice, beautiful carrots. And I'm gonna add some garlic to that, boba garlic and thing, just probably like a boba or something. Some leftover salmon that I have, because y'all saw my status yesterday, man. Like I did like a really nice salmon sandwich. Oh my gosh, it's like my favorite fish. Some sweet pepper, some spinach, some tomatoes, some scallion, some kale, and some onion in the fridge. I'm gonna get the onion all on. Yeah, some onion, you see me? And a little bit of cheese, mozzarella cheese, and all of that. Oh, you know what we can add to? I have a little piece of cauliflower. Yes, all on. Yeah, so cauliflower. And what we're gonna do is, a bit of things are going on my omelette, first of all. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just chop up the onion, garlic, scallion, you know, all of the greens and everything, and we're gonna cook it down first, right? Just do like a stir fry and thing, nothing too fancy. Do like a stir fry with some salt and pepper, nothing too extra. And then we are going to put that aside, and we're gonna start on our eggs. And we're gonna put everything together, and we're gonna just eat that with what? A slice of bread, as easy as that. But yes, so let's get started. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because you know where I found the fully loaded omelette. So when I was back in Jamaica, my best friend she works at this cute little cafe, and they always have a fully loaded omelette. So they have like I think 3 different cheeses, broccoli, like a bunch of things going on in their omelette, right? But oh yes, and ham and them something there, beer things. So I'm making my version of that omelette, and let's see what happens. So join me. Alright, yes guys, so because I'm serving a family of 2, that's me and my belly. It's 2 different people, trust me. I have to remember to keep it what you call it, contained, and don't use like too many ingredients, because it's so easy to go overboard when you're chopping up like seasonings and that kind of stuff. So I am going to use probably this amount of onion, just a little bit. So let's chop up that. As a matter of fact, you know, this alone might suffice. As a matter of fact, this is the only amount of onion that I'm going to use, because we can't go overboard. So that's my onion, right? Next. So here we have over this side just a little bit of kale, and then from here we have our onions, garlic, sweet pepper, carrots, cauliflower, and tomatoes and scallion. And then over here we have our baby spinach, and then here we have our salmon, and I decided to add some franks to that. And of course, the only ingredient that's left would be our eggs and cheese. So break apart, so I can just add the full fish, because as this cooks down, the salmon itself is going to start getting really nice and soft and break apart. Beautiful. You see, look at the salmon. You see, so it can break apart a little bit. All right. So I know what I'm doing. I have to trust the process and not try to rush it and all these things. You see me? Yes, so the salmon there break apart, so it's not fully cooked. And by the time the salmon is fully cooked, then everything would have come together. So this is what it looks like, and then I'm going to flip over this edge because it's ready now to be flipped. Yes, Lord, so this is my omelette. Ooh, child. So I am going to turn off my fire, cover this, and then just wait for my bread to toast. I'm going to put everything together, breakfast. Yeah, guys, so this is our breakfast. We have our toast with our avocado, some of the leftover mix, steamed veggies and whatever. Yes, guys, so time to eat breakfast. Oh my gosh, so happy. Let me something. Oh my Lord, guys, hold on. Look at the omelette. Ooh, can you see the cheese? Let me try a piece of it. Yes, Jesus, the omelette there. This is so good. Oh my God. So good. So good. And a piece of bread. So yes, guys, thank you for joining Cooking with Mom, Mouthful. And I'm eating my breakfast with some nice peppermint tea. So there we go. Bye bye.